The frilled shark, Chlamydocoelacus sanguineus, and the southern African frilled shark, Chlamydocoelacus africana, are the two extant species of shark in the family Chlamydocoelacidae. The frilled shark is considered a living fossil, because of its primitive, anguilliform, eel-like, physical traits, such as a dark brown color, amphistyle, the articulation of the jaws to the cranium, and a 2.0 meters, 6.6 feet, long body, which has dorsal, pelvic, and anal fins located towards the tail. The common name, frilled shark, derives from the fringed appearance of the 6 pairs of gill slits at the shark's throat. The two species of frilled shark are distributed throughout regions of the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans, usually in the waters of the outer continental shelf and of the upper continental slope, where the sharks usually live near the ocean floor, near biologically productive areas of the ecosystem. To live on a diet of cephalopods, smaller sharks, and bony fish, the frilled shark practices vertical migration to feed at night at the surface of the ocean. When hunting food, the frilled shark moves like an eel, bending and lunging to capture and swallow whole prey with its long and flexible jaws, which are equipped with 300 recurved, needle-like teeth. 2. Reproductively, the two species of frilled shark, C. sanguineus and C. africana, are aplacental viviparous animals, born of an egg, without a placenta to the mother shark. Contained within egg capsules, the shark embryos develop in the body of the mother shark. At birth, the infant sharks emerge from their egg capsules in the uterus, where they feed on yolk. Although it has no distinct breeding season, the gestation period of the frilled shark can be up to 3.5 years long, to produce a litter of 2 to 15 shark pups. Usually caught as bycatch in commercial fishing, the frilled shark has some economic value as a meat and as fish meal, and has been caught from depths of 1,570 meters, 5,150 feet, although its occurrence is uncommon below 1,200 meters, 3,900 feet, whereas in Suruga Bay, Japan, the frilled shark commonly occurs at depths of 50 to 200 meters, 160 to 660 feet. 3. The zoologist Ludwig Doederlein first identified, described, and classified the frilled shark as a discrete species of shark. After 3 years, 1879 to 1881, of marine research in Japan, Doederlein took 2 specimen sharks to Vienna, but lost the taxonomic manuscript of the research. 3 years later, in the Bulletin of the Essex Institute, Volume 16, 1884, the zoologist Samuel Garman published the first taxonomy of the frilled shark, based upon his observations, measurements, and descriptions of a 1.5 meters, 4 feet 11 in, long female shark from Sagami Bay, Japan. In the article, An Extraordinary Shark, Garman classified the new species of shark within its own genus and family, and named it Chlamydocoelacus sanguineus, eel-like shark with frills, 4, 5. The Greco-Latin nomenclature of the frilled shark derives from the Greek chlamys, frill, and coelacus, shark, and the Latin sanguineus, like an eel. 2. Besides its common name, the frilled shark also is known as the lizard shark, and as the scaffold shark. 1. 6. The frilled shark is considered a living fossil, because its family lineage dates to the Carboniferous period. 7. Initially, marine scientists considered the frilled shark a living, evolutionary representative of the extinct Elasmobranchii subclass of cartilaginous fish, rays, sharks, skates, sawfish, because the shark's body featured primitive anatomic traits, such as long jaws with trident-shaped, multi-cusp teeth. Amphistyle, the direct articulation of the jaws to the cranium, at a point behind the eyes, and a quasi-cartilaginous notochord, a protospinal column, composed of indistinct vertebrae. 8. From that anatomy, Garman proposed that the frilled shark was related to the cladodont sharks of the Cladocoelac genus that existed during the Devonian period, 419 to 359 Maya. In the Paleozoic era, 541 to 251 Maya. In contrast to Garman's thesis, the ichthyologist Theodore Gill and the paleontologist Edward Drinker Cope suggested that the frilled shark's evolutionary tree indicated relation to the hybodontiforms, hybodonts, which were the dominant species of shark during the Mesozoic era, 252 to 66 Maya, and Cope categorized the Chlamydocoelacus sanguineus species to the fossil genus Xenocanthus that existed from the late Devonian period to the end of the Triassic period of the Mesozoic era. 9, 10.